it's TheCurlySage. Welcome back to another video. So, as you can see in the title, we're going to be doing a big chop on someone. So if you are not new to my channel and you've been watching me for a while, you would know that a few months ago I uploaded a video inviting someone new onto my channel that will kind of like help me with my wig videos. And that is... Hey! Monique. So, as you can see, Monique isn't doing too good. Like, literally, I have not used her in any of my videos since making that video. Like, this was supposed to be my new, like, go-to wig head that I'm gonna do all of my, like, wig videos with, and it just has not happened yet. But from this point on, this is going to be my new wig head. The reason I haven't used her to do my wig videos is because her hair is just too long. It's just too much work to, like, have to, like, wrestle all of this and put it under like a wig cap and all that stuff. So I just figured that I'm just gonna have to cut her hair to make it easier for me.
You are not cutting my hair.
But I'm not gonna cut it all off. Honestly, at first I was thinking about literally just like shaving her whole head bald. But I'm just gonna cut it into like a nice little cute bob just so I can, like, for example, practice some certain hairstyles. Like, say some new method of like faux locks comes out, then I can like kind of use her to practice like on someone else's head. I can just use her. So I want to leave enough hair that I can still like grip it. Hopefully it turns out well. Hopefully she doesn't end up looking like a crazy, I was about to say person. She's just been like literally in like my little like storage bin. So I'm finally gonna be putting her to some good use, and you'll see her in my videos from now on. But let's just cut this and see how it turns out.
Ow!
Always around, you're always around. Your celly is down, you're settling down now. You're always in my ears, but you're never there. You're never there when I need you most. I need you.
It's just hair.
Now, I need you to find out. I need you right now. You and me, baby. Music is playing. Please do not play me. Just rock with me, baby. You're never there when I need you the most. I gave my whole life to you. I'm devoted. I'm devoted. I'm devoted. I'm devoted. Repeat it 4 times so you get it. Can't finish a line, it's pathetic. You're the reason my life poetic. I swear to God, it's a new era. Already planned a wedding. I put a ring on my dreams. Music and me are engaged. I'm writing a story with you. I'm still reading, you turning the page. You made me go through the worst. You made me fall for my vices. I did not give you this ring for the hell of it. This is not solo, it's fellowship. I can't see Frodo in photos, so pick up the phone, let me hear instead. You're my drug, need another hit. From up above like thunder is. I know you're free like a dove. Come give a real nigga love. You're always stuck in the club, always fucking with lames. Do your damn thing, do your thing a thing. I'm always around. You're always around. You're always around. Your celly is down. You're settling down now. You're always in my ears, but you're never there. You're never there when I need you most. I need you now. I need you to find out. I need you right now. You and me, baby. Music is playing. Please do not play me. Just rock with me, baby. You're always around. Your celly is right there. You're always in my ear. Always music is playing. You're settling down, playing. Just rock with me, baby. I need you to find out. I need you right now.
Damn, Monique, how do you feel?
What?
Yo, I'm so good. Like, damn, sophisticated. Come on, give me a hair flip. Okay, you see, this is giving me some like Edna Mode vibes here. This is like Edna Slay. Oh girl, don't even sweat it. You're gonna be looking popping. So next I'm just going to just blow dry her. And you know, the good thing about Monique is that she has 100% natural human hair on her head, so it won't melt with heat. She might melt, but the hair won't.
So delightful, in a life full of bad bitches. White for just a phone to a bad nigga, Got a phone full of things I could write for. Jesus, rescue me, take me to your mountain. Who gon' ride for me? Must've got it wrong. Something got us. Must be lack of trust. Got both of us suspect. Something, someone got it wrong. Such a lack of trust, falling back on us. Ain't no trust, you fucked it up to be specific. I can't leave right now, plenty fish in Pacific. Ocean potion, miss me with emotions, honey. Frankly, I've been working nights, go get my money. Summertime is coming, it's the rush for us. Foreigners fly on planes to come and fuck with us. Ain't no funny stuff, they straight to the punch. Day and night don't stop, this the life we got. Ooh la, yeah. This life isn't fair. D-light in the air, she gon' throw it back, yeah. Can't trust any player, I might trust if you swear. We gon' see if you will. So delightful.
So this is Monique's new look, and I don't even know if I said this, but you guys actually helped me pick her name. Like when I made the video introducing her, I just asked you guys what I should name her, and lots of people said Monique, and lots of people thumbs up those comments, and I just feel like it suits her. This is her new look. I actually really like it, like I'm jealous of it. So this will be a lot easier to like stick under like a wig cap, but it's like she's not bald, so I can still like, for example, practice like cornrowing or like practice like box braids or faux locks on her if I want to. Not stiff, lots of body. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I don't even know, like I literally just made a video giving my wig head a makeover. Only me. But yeah, thanks guys so much for watching. It's TheCurlySage and Monique signing out. Peace.